Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I crochet, knit and share my experiences and journey with you. You can follow along by hitting that subscribe button and liking my videos. Today we will be making this very easy, very simple and beginner friendly snowman. This snowman has a scarf and a cap, and it's just 2 rounds. Basically we made just 2 rounds, joined them together, made a hat and a scarf. We have quite a lot of work to do today, so let's start. I'll be using this leftover white yarn, and you can use whatever white yarn that you have. Let me change the background first. Use whatever yarn, white yarn that you want to use, and we will start by making a slip knot. Chain 4 and join first and last stitch with a slip knot. Now chain 1. This is not a stitch, we have just made it to get some height, and in this space which is created by joining these 4 stitches, we will make 8 single crochets. So let's count. 1, 2, and we will crochet above this loose end as well. And after making 8 stitches, we will join with the first one. Now we will chain 2. This will be our first half double crochet, and in the same stitch we will make one more half double, and now we will make 2 half double crochets in each stitch, and by the end of the round we will have 16 half double crochets. So that's 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So finish your round and I'll see you then. After completing your round, you will join with the first half double, which was 2 chains, and join, secure your end. This is the head of a snowman. We'll make body in similar manner. We'll just increase its size, its diameter. So start by making chain 4, joining first and last stitch, making 1 chain and making 8 single crochets. So do that and I'll see you. 1. After making 8 single crochets, you will join with the first one and again we will make 2 single crochets, we will make 2 chains, which will be our first half double, and in the same stitch we will make another half double, and we will continue making 2 half doubles in each stitch like we did for the head of our snowman. And at the end of this round we should have, ideally we should have 16, but if you have one less, one more, then doesn't really matter. I think I'm a very bad influence, I know. So let's complete this round quickly. After finishing the second round, I will again make, I have joined together my round, and I will again make 2 chains, which will be my first half double, and in next stitch I will make 2 half double. So now I am increasing not in every stitch but in every other stitch. So 1 2 1 2. I'm also crocheting only in the back loop, which will give a little more texture to a snowman. So if you do not feel comfortable using just the back loop of your round, then by all means use both loops. Finish your round and I'll see you. Your last stitch should have 2 half double crochets. We started with 1 and we should end with 2. So this is the body. Now if you want to make an even bigger body, then you can do one more round, and it also depends for what purpose you are making this snowman. If you are planning to use it as an ornament, then I guess this is an ideal size, but if you are planning to use it as a tea coaster, then of course you will need something bigger. So you can do one more round in which you will increase after 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now we will join our head and body. So I am going to slip stitch where I am with the head, only in the loops which are next to each other. I will join them. Pick up loop from the loops stitches which are next to each other and slip stitch. This is the V, this leg and this leg. These are the nearest ones, so I'm using them. At least do 3 stitches or 4 to stabilize the connection, and I think it's fine. It will be able to hold itself. Cut the yarn and this is our snowman. Now we will make its scarf. For this scarf I made a long chain. I wrapped it around my snowman, and when I thought that it's long enough, I did half double on the chain and I made this wide scarf for my snowman. This time I want to make it thin and long, so I will just make a chain and then I will wrap it around my snowman a couple of times and we'll see how it will look. But if you want to make it a bit wider, then of course you can do half double in your chain. I'll show you how to do that and then I'll continue working on my long string. So if you are planning to make it wide, all you have to do is double crochet in the stitch. You will start double crocheting after leave 2 chains from your crochet hook, and in 3rd chain start making half double like this. But I will continue making the chain as I said before, and I will see you after I have finished making my chain. I have made my chain, and now I will wrap it round. We can even wrap it twice. So that it's nice and warm. Now all we have to do is make its cap. To make cap, I am using black and I tried to make top hat kind of a thing, and its base is around 8 stitches. I've used half double for cap as well. Let's make the chain for the hat. Let's chain 10. And in 3rd chain make half double. And continue making half double. Now we have 9 stitches, and we'll make this centered portion of 5 stitches and keep 2 stitches on the side. After finishing first round, you will make chain 1, turn your work, and in the first 2 stitches you will slip stitch, because we do not want to make any more height, so we will just slip stitch, and then we will make 2 chains, and we will make half double in next. This much is, I think, good enough, so we will make chain 2 in the next stitch and slip stitch into the last stitches. And then you will cut your yarn and secure the end. I have left a bit longish tail because I'll use the same yarn to put it on my snowman. Now, do we want it at a jaunty angle or straight? A little jaunty. This was my starting tail, so I will use this on one end, and then I will just use that to secure my hat. I have this tail here as well, and I will use that to make a couple of stitches as well. Let's choose a smaller hook. And this other tail now. We can either cut these yarns, these loose ends, or hide them. Here is the final look of our snowman. If you want, this was a bigger cap made with 10 with a chain of 10 stitches, and this is a smaller cap made with 7 stitches. So you can choose whatever style you want. And here as well, the scarf is made with just chain stitches, and this scarf is wider, made with half double. So you can stylize your snowman however you want, and you can even give it a nose using orange color or eyes. So it's totally up to your imagination how you want to further decorate your snowman. So have fun playing with this simple pattern of just 2 rounds and a bit of your imagination. And do leave a comment and like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.